Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on the 5th of June every year. The theme of this year is Only One Earth. The government of Sweden will host World Environment Day 2022. Environment Day is celebrated to create awareness among the people to protect the earth. In the year 1972, United Nations General Assembly established the World Environment Day. The United Nations Environment Programme, that is UNEP, is the primary agency behind the celebration. Environment Day has been a platform for raising awareness on environmental issues such as marine pollution, human overpopulation, global warming, sustainable consumption, and wildlife crime. It reminds that people should not take the nature for granted. So, let us all join our hands to save our environment. Save the earth, save life. Thank you.